With the freezing temperatures last week, our landscapes took a hit. Many of our herbaceous plants, such as lilies and gingers, and tropical plants such as cannas, may look like mush in the landscape. So what can we do right now after these freezes? Well, we still got a bit of winter to go, and there is a chance of more freezes. You really don't need to worry about these plants. Many of them are hardy and actually come back from their crowns or from roots and other different storage organs underneath the ground. So they will come back in the springtime. You'll see new life. But you can get out in the landscape, and if this just really bothers you, seeing these dead plants, you can go out and prune these and trim them back. Now, if you do that, you're going to expose them a little bit more for the next freeze. So if we do get another one, you do want to get out there and cover those at that point because they're not going to be as insulated. However, if you can tolerate the mushy brown, you can leave that on the ground. It'll eventually break down, or you can clean it up in the spring, but that does create a layer, and it will actually insulate those underground parts that will have new growth in the springtime. So as we wait out the rest of winter and anticipate possible more freezes, some things that we don't want to do is fertilize right now. It is okay to remove this foliage, and it's also okay to leave it. Actually, that will create an insulation to protect those underground parts to make sure that these do survive any freezing temperatures and come back in the spring. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.